The main goal is to make $30,000 per month by creating an income stream that makes $950 per day. This is possible through a simple side hustle that doesn't require a lot of money to start. The key is to use free AI tools to create a successful YouTube channel, even without appearing on camera. Over 2.6 billion people watch YouTube, so it's a huge opportunity. I help people make money on YouTube without showing their faces. I can show you the actual results I've achieved, like helping people know more about YouTube and its algorithm. To get started, the blueprint covers 9 key steps. Choose a profitable niche, like tech gadgets. Create an engaging channel name, like 2Gems. Design an eye-catching logo and banner for branding. Optimize your channel description using AI. Find the best performing video ideas from competitors. Use AI to write a script and get a professional voiceover. Find free footage to use in your videos. Create high-converting thumbnails with AI. Edit the videos using a free tool like CapCut. The goal is to create high-quality educational videos that can make you money through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and more. I'll provide all the details and a free step-by-step blueprint to get you started. Does this help explain the key points in more detail? Let me know if you need any clarification or have additional questions.